Interesting.
Alright.
They even brought up our luggage here, which not that we have very much, but let's take a look.
For my birthday, we decided to stay here. This is a brand new hotel. What is it called? The name
Sudima?
of it? Sudima Auckland City. And what's really cool is they gave us lots of freebies because we bought the opening package thing. And we had $50 voucher to their plant-based restaurant. 2 coffees or tea and 2
happy hour drinks.
And free breakfast and the room.
Plus a late checkout. Which is like 1 o'clock. So
for
yeah.
$2.39.
This
New Zealand dollars.
Yeah. Which is still expensive, but that's not bad.
Yeah, but once you count everything, like the food and breakfast, like pretty much.
Yeah. Let's just see here. I don't know about our view. We don't really have too much of a view.
I think
that's
they have
right.
like a Amazon Echo thingy there.
How to use Amazon Echo. Got a mirror. And
look at the
bathroom.
Look at
Is that?
Sometimes it's okay.
There it is.
So for the bathroom, we have.
Pretty standard.
Let's see. We have a rain
Pretty
shower
nice.
with a handheld shower. We have Smith & Co. hand and body wash, conditioner, and shampoo.
Okay.
And shower cap, and hand and body wash and lotion, towels.
Okay.
And then there's a safe right here.
And the little
there's a little bar fridge with a thing of milk, probably for the coffee.
And then there's a little instant coffee in the drawer.
We have some instant coffee and some tea. And the tissues folded like a triangle. Usually they do that for the toilet paper. And then over here there is some stuff.
Foodstuffs.
And yeah, they have a plant-based restaurant downstairs we will check out later.
Nice.
What do you think of this hotel?
It's nice so far. Now I need like a power nap. I'm tired. Need to find the Wi-Fi too.
Yep, let's do that. Apparently this mirror opens and there's an ironing board and an iron in here. Adding the sugar to his what?
I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna see.
I gotta try latte. For breakfast, Brian got the brioche French toast. Look at that flour right there, the yellow one. There's pecans on it too. And then I got the baked breakfast without the baked beans. So we got this, and what is it called? Myeongkang, and that's a shiitake bang bang mushroom. So yeah. So we just got the jackfruit balbon. Brian, what are your thoughts? Have you tried it yet?
I haven't tried it yet. I'm just trying to make sure I don't spill a bunch of stuff in there.
Cool. For dessert, we got this matcha miso.
See how this goes.
Go.